Hi everyone, welcome to my Smelia Beauty channel. How are you? I hope you're okay, and in this video here I will do collective haul of Sephora, and these are the hauls that I've been making for months, but I will start by showing you the most recent one. And I did separate all of my Urban Decay palettes vault that I got from Sephora because I want to do just one video of the Urban Decay Naked palettes haul, so I did separate them. And I will also have two more Urban Decay palettes from the warehouse sale of L'Oreal, the VIP sale that I went to, so I was able to get two more palettes there. And so let's go ahead and like I said, if you watch my update video, all of my hauls are with my own money. I have nothing in here giving to me freely or sponsored or whatever, because I work, like I said, if you watch my update video, I work 3 months full time. So all the money, not all the money, but maybe like 75% of the money I did invested in makeup and for my YouTube channel. So this is why I have all of these hauls that I'm filming, because I couldn't film them before, because you will see the things that I will show you. Some of them it's been like months ago that they came out, but the most recent that I will show you, it's this Becca highlight here, the light chaser. These are amazing. I did ordered 3 of these one here. I ordered you will see the swatches in my Instagram. I will insert the picture somewhere in the video. And I did have the opal flashes jade, and then the pearl flashes gold, and this one here champagne dream flashes Bellini. And I did return the 2 other ones Monday because I didn't know when I was going to do my videos. And the pearl flashes gold one, I really didn't like it because it was too much of gold for me, for my taste. And the jade one, I wanted to keep it, but after I received my birthday gifts, I showed them to my sister-in-law and I swatched it and I put it on my face, the opal flashes jade on here and on my nose, and she was like, it's too much of green. She was like, maybe you should return it. So I looked at it and I was like, yeah, it's too much of greenish for my taste. And so I did return the 2 of them. And since I had also the champagne pop for my birthday, I didn't need all those highlights, and I've been also buying drugstore highlights, so now I'm kind of having too much highlights, so it was better that I returned it. So I returned it. So I kept the champagne dream flashes Bellini, and they are smaller than the regular ones, and they are $41 in Canadian instead of 46. So this is the Bellini, and I will have another video, the swatch, you will see it in the picture, but for now I just want to make my whole video so that you can see what I got. So this is it. This is the Becca highlight light chaser. And also, since it was my birthday, I went and got my gift here, the Sephora Tarte Kit, the blush and the matte lipstick here. So I have this lips gloss here. It's the Lip Shine Gel. This is the color Coral Confession. This is the lip Ultra Shine Lip Gel, if I remember correctly the whole name. And this is so gorgeous. And what I didn't think about it, it's close to Orgasm of NARS one that I got in another Sephora favorite. So, but I still love the color. These are so glossy, shiny. I really love them. And also with my other orders, I did order, since I wasn't making the $50 so that I have the free shipping, I ordered some luster matte long wearing lip color. Also this one I will insert the picture somewhere. So these are the colors here, and this one here I have the fig luster, the magenta luster, and the petal luster, and I love them. These are not matte as this one here, the everlasting lipstick from Kat Von D. This is really dry and matte, but these one here, these are a little bit loose. They have a little bit of shine. This is why it says luster, and it's not drying, and it's so comfortable to wear. I'm really loving them. So I have also, they were in a special, they were $9 Canadian, and in USA they are $7, and they are pretty much all sold out in USA. And in Canada you still able to buy all of the colors. And I remember I got this one here, the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye palette. This one here in November when they sent out the coupons, and before the January I was Beauty Insider, because in 3 years I spent like $350 at Sephora. But since January, like I said, I was working, I had more budget to splurge, so I can now say that I am VIB, not Rouge. I'm not there yet but now I am VIB, so I'm really excited about that. So this is this one here. Like I said, I got this with, I had $15 off with the coupon, so I got this one here. And I will have all separate videos for each of the products that I have here, the kits that I have. I will swatch them, make tutorials with them, play with them, but now I'm just showing you what I got, what I've been hauling for the past few months. And this one here, this is the Sephora Favorites Sun-Kissed Glow. I'm pretty sure you have seen this in YouTube all over the place, so it has lots of cool products. And I pretty much got this one because of NARS lip gloss Orgasm, and also I was having a Becca highlight and some other brands that I want to try. So I really love the Sephora Favorites because I get to try brands that I would like to buy in the future. So now with the Sephora Favorites, I mean this one here, I tried to get it and it was pretty hard, so I did end up finding one. So this one, it's been, I mean, it's not even on the site available, but maybe if you go on Amazon or eBay you will be able to find it. It's Sephora Favorite Give Me Some Lip, this one here. It's the one that has the Lancome shaker, juicy shaker. So this one here. And then they had the nude one, this one here, and this one, it was so hard to get, but they did bring it back. So I bought this one when they did bring it back for a second time. So this one here. And meantime, in again, in all the Christmas time, they had the Sephora Favorites Give Me Some Bold Lip. This one here, this one here. So I got this one in Christmas time. And most recently they had the Sephora Favorites Give Me Some Nude Lip, this one here and this one. So I'm getting like lots of new brands lipstick, and I really love the simple deluxe size because I can really use them up and they will not get like old. And like I said, meantime they had kind of some specials, you know, in the back. If you order, this is the promo code. So I got these, and I pretty much hoard all the samples that I've been having here. So this was pretty much my Sephora hauls, and I'm forgetting my buxom. I will go and get it. I mean, how could I forget my buxom freezer over this set here? I mean, come on, how can I forget this set? And also you can see I'm missing a couple of them. It's normal. I really enjoy the buxom lip gloss, and if you watch my Sephora favorites, give me some lip video that I have, you know, the tingling one, it's the cream one. It has like kind of the tingling feeling. I was telling, oh my god, I don't really like it, but as I kept using it, I mean, I love it. I love how they make your lip look all plumped up, all glossy, shiny. I mean, I love it. Every day I have it on every purse that I have, all the buxom lip gloss, and I'm already finished some of them because I use them every day. They are in my bags, handbags, and I'm in love with them. So this is why I wanted this one here in Christmas time. And this one, since my sister-in-law was a VIB Rouge, I asked her if she can get me this one, and I gave her the money because I was having a like more discount on it. So I think this is what I did. I bought them, these two here. I gave her the money so that she can get them for me with her discount, so I saved just a little bit of money on those. So this was one of my collective Sephora hauls, and after that I will show you all my naked palettes that I got. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, don't worry, I didn't swatch them. You will see all separate videos, all the swatch. I will play with them, the tutorials. You will have more video on them. This is just my whole video so that I can now store them away, because I've been just piling and gathering them up. Now I can store them and make my other videos after. So thanks again. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.